Okay, so we do so much shooting today, but now we have to clean the rifle because all the poisons are very corrosive, and you don't want to leave the corrosive poison inside the rifle because it made it do the rest. So what you have to do is you have to pee inside the rifle because you have the ammonia inside the body, and ammonia neutralize all the poison. So remember I talked about the cleaning funnel earlier? This one, even the better one, okay? So all you have to do is swap this one out and just do it. And while you have the muzzle brake up, don't forget you're going to need this one, okay? The cleaning rod. And then we put the funnel on. Okay, now we wash off all the poison, take the rifle apart. Okay, now we let dry. And then we just need to clean the barrel. But I don't have anything here to clean the barrel. Oh, I had the idea. Ugh, đụ má, smell like what's the nước mắm? You take this one, and then you tie the knot. When you're done, it should look like this. Now we need the oil. Which one looked good? That one, perfect. This is called a turbocharged SR20 DET. He used a good oil. Khoi， 你干嘛？嘿！干你娘的！你在干什么？给我站到！踩你！在这里面的 Now we have the oil. All you have to do, take the shoelace, put it inside the chamber, and then you take the cleaning rod. Just like that. Now you had a clean rifle. Just put back together and you're ready to shoot again.
Oh, I find that sorry bastard. I can't believe he did that. Oh, god damn it. What the hell? What the hell? The hell? Fuck, you hang out with some weird people, dude. And you got a baseball, a matching glove, I guess, and a burger from some Russian guy, some obsolete antique. I didn't know you were into antiques, but at least we got some SpongeBob tape that's, well, I guess that's Dugan approved, so I'll probably actually keep this. I've done some Bubba-ish gunsmithing in my days, but this will be the crowning achievement. Alright, I think that's about as good as I can get it, but it may work, may not. I hope to God it kind of works. It fucking holds 0!
That's so cool.